many things in the indices.
Why is it called the future market?
I'll be honest with you, I don't know why it's called the futures market.
Okay.
But we've got the three types of market.
Welcome to episode 22 of traders selling their ass on Instagram as if it's OnlyFans. Today's special guest is none other than Mrs. toritrades, which I should have done an episode on a very long time ago, but I try to let her live because I believe in woman power. But at this point, I can't stand for her no more, and it's time to just throw her on the internet. She charges almost $7,000, guys, for futures courses, and she can't even tell you what futures stands for. That makes a lot of sense. Let me charge $7,000, make over 8 figures in courses, but I can't tell you what futures stand for. And she's like, let me be honest, I really don't know. Besides the point, a lot of things you guys don't know. She's actually been caught. Her statements have an account number on it, which matches her uncle's. And if you guys need a source to relate to, go to 3X Boogeyman on Twitter. I'll put it down below so you guys can go check that out. She posts the same statement. She's under a family account on her broker, who is Mike Austin, her uncle, who runs the trading template. You know how she talks about rags to riches? Well, I found his Zillow listing. It's a $360,000 listing. So if it was rags to riches, I think he would live in a little better, house. She also talked about how she grew up in a trailer. So I decided let me do a background check on her. So I went back and I found out her public, location, which was 4158 Old Jennings Road, which was a $300,000 single family home. So that whole trailer to living in a house doesn't make sense either. I also have this statement in front of me here that I'll put on the screen. So keep that in mind. And then just to top it off with Cherry, I have so much information. I'll save it for another episode. Watch this video. She talks about, or she makes a motivational video for you guys, but she forgot to take paper trading out from the bottom. Let me show you guys on the screen.
So guys, I'm going home now with FBK's new car. We just bought a new car. It was cheap, man, 1 million. We bought this wild track. Show them this wild track right here. We bought it. You see this one? You see it? Bring the camera to me. We bought this wild track 1 million using KGP markets. Sign up on the KGP markets is the AI of brokers. 5-minute withdrawals are in tape. So this guy is going home right now. And I know you think I'm lying, ne? Okay, sharp, stop the video. They think I'm lying.